If you were to break down all of the job search advice that's out there, it would come down to this one main point. Take ownership of your job search. If you are strategic about your job search, you are going to be way more successful than someone who is solely relying on luck. So, what does it mean to be strategic? It means that you are clear about your wants and needs before applying for your next position. It means that you are making human connections. Aim to reach out to at least 10 people a day who can help you in your job search process. Whether that's learning about a position that you aspire to, a company that you want to work for, or finding somebody who has knowledge of HR who can review your resume. Make sure to tailor your cover letter and resume for every job. The company wants to find a solution to their problem, and it's your job to show up as that specific solution. You are the one most invested in your career path, so act like it.